If you know that improving your flexibility could have a huge impact on your life, could you help answer this question for me? Hi, I'm Shelly, professional contortionist, hand balancer, aerialist, and owner of Shelly Flex Athletics. You see, my inbox is filled with people saying they want to improve their flexibility so that they can do that cool trick on the pole, silks, or yoga mat, or asking how they could relieve their lower back pain, open up their tight hips, or access a deeper range of motion. Then they go on to tell me about how they've tried everything and that no matter how much they stretch, they just aren't seeing results and they're totally frustrated. And you know what the first question I ask them is? Well, have you started my Improve Your Splits in 30 Days course? Hundreds of students just like you have seen huge improvements in their flexibility in as little as 30 minutes a day for less than $1 a day. And you know what their answer usually is? No. So then, of course, my next question is, well, why not? So here's where I could use some help. If you're looking to improve your flexibility, but your answer was also, no, could you tell me why not? Because clearly I must be missing something. Maybe you're worried you don't have enough time to commit to the program. I hear you, and I totally respect how valuable your time is. That is why I programmed each daily assignment to take less than 30 minutes a day. And with lifetime access, you can go through it at your own pace, fit it into your own schedule, and you can go back and watch the videos as often as you'd like. And here's the bigger question. How much time are you wasting by not knowing what to do, or worse, doing the wrong exercises that are actually hindering your progress? Perhaps you're worried you won't stay committed to the course. Trust me, I've bought plenty of online courses that I have yet to complete. And that's why there's lifetime access to our private Facebook group, full of amazing and supportive flexibility seekers just like you, who will help to keep you motivated and to hold you accountable. Not to mention, whenever you post your training videos, photos, or questions in the Facebook group, I personally will be there to provide feedback to ensure that you're training correctly and you're doing the proper exercises that you need for your unique situation. And as an added bonus, when you sign up for the course, you also get 3 live Zoom classes where Coach Candace will break down each exercise, provide you with modifications to fit your skill level, as well as challenge you to give it your all each and every class. Now I get it, you may be thinking this sounds too good to be true, and that just because this course has been so successful for hundreds of other students, that doesn't guarantee that it will work for you. And you're absolutely right, I can't guarantee that you'll do the work, ask questions when you need help, or show up to the live classes. But what I can guarantee is that this course is jam-packed full of all the tools you need to be successful. Starting with stability exercises to prepare your body for a deeper range of motion, combined with myofascial release techniques to unlock tight and overworked muscles. Followed by stretching techniques to take your flexibility to the next level, and lastly, active flexibility exercises such as kicks and leg holds so that you can show off your new skills in your next pole, aerial, or yoga class. Now, are you ready to have your mind blown? All of this amazing value is packed into this course for only $27. Plus, I have a 30-day money-back guarantee. Now, the only explanation that I can think of for why you haven't signed up for Improve Your Splits in 30 Days is because you didn't know about it until now. Well, now you do. So what are you waiting for? Click on the link to sign up and get started on improving your flexibility today. P.S. If you're still on the fence, please shoot me a DM on Instagram at ShellyFlex and let me know what else is holding you back from saying yes to finally getting some real flexibility gains. Thank you so much and happy flexing.